All right, here we are again at Pikes Peak.
It's a blessed adventure. It's a blessed adventure.
All right, here we are again at Pikes Peak.
Gonna try it again.
We're gonna try it again. This is our second time being here. First time we was here was been a few years back. So this time we came prepared.
I came prepared this time,
She's got her can of Boost Oxygen.
so I'm ready. I ate a banana, they said, and granola and greens. I've been doing all that.
So she's been preparing to hopefully this time she won't get altitude sickness. And we got a different plan. We're gonna stop part way up and acclimatize a little bit so that we don't just drive straight up. So we'll take you along with us, maybe show you some pictures along the way, and then show you at the top.
We're gonna stop for lunch. I didn't know if you said that. We're gonna stop and have lunch. So that'll be good.
Alrighty, so here we
See you at the top.
see you at the top.
Roll your windows up and down as much as you want. Yes, it is. What feet are we at?
I was told I couldn't tell anybody.
What feet are we at?
I was told I couldn't tell anybody.
Well, tell us now for the camera.
10,975.
Okay. Everybody's still good.
Elevation 11,000 very soon. Yep, 11,000 right here. We got up here to the Crystal Reservoir area and they're doing some work. So they must be doing a whole lot of dam repair or something. Here's all the hot rod race cars. They're practicing for the Pikes Peak Challenge. Not really. So they got it shut down to one lane. We'll see what it looks like as we go across.
We're doing good at 11,000 feet.
You guys doing okay so far?
We're 11,000 feet.
11,000 feet.
I still feel sane.
So
I've
11,000
only
feet.
taken one puff.
11,000 feet, we're still surviving, and the oxygen can has only been used minimal. So, here's a look on this side. Over there.
No water.
Big mountain that goes down about.
All the water used to be out on that side, but you can't really see it. So, we'll tune in a little while. pulled over the car, and there's pronghorn, antelope. So we're gonna. Right there. And there's 2 more. Pretty cool. There's a couple, yeah. Didn't even see them. See them laying down? Pretty cool. Water there. Here we are. Gotta talk louder.
Trying to be quiet so I don't scare the animals away.
I don't think they're that scary.
So there's one specific bighorn sheep out here.
So we've made it up to the top of Pikes Peak, and you can see the train parked over here. There's a cog train that you can catch down in Manitoba Springs, and ride it up here. Since we were here last, they've created all this new walkway, and they're working on a new building. So pretty cool. Definitely, this trip has been a lot better getting our self acclimatized. Last time I was walking to the car, it was a struggle. This time it's taking it a little easier, and it's not as bad. So this is pretty cool. Here you can get a look at the railway. Looks like it's set up for 2 trains. So this is the new Pikes Peak Summit Visitor Center. find the crew. And here's the crew. We caught up with them. This is so much nicer than the other place.
It's very nice. I'm glad it was open.
Yeah. He needs oxygen.
Doesn't still need the oxygen.
But she's doing 10 times better
Yeah, at least
than she
know
was
where I'm
before.
at. And I know what to do. Sit down right away.
All right. I think I'll get a puff.
Oh, I can fill my water bottle. We can fill our water bottle.
Okay. Yep. We're doing lots better and having a lot better time.
I walk.
I'm went. They just walked around last night. The kids walked around like
Karen.
I'm like that.
Karen.
So they have Reese's, sugar, plain. We're going for sugar. Wow. Did you just unload a bus? We made it to the top. We all survived. Now we're heading back down. I'd like to thank you for coming along with us as we visit Pikes Peak. There's so many new improvements to the new visitor center and walkway in the area, and we enjoyed an awesome time there. We didn't get to take a whole lot of video inside. We were still a little out of breath, but not as bad as our first trip. So we did enjoy the interior of the visitor center. And then if you've seen, we got us a little snack of the donuts that they offer at the Pike Peak Donuts, and had a good time. So thanks for coming along. If you have not subscribed yet, push that subscribe button so you can be notified when we post our next adventure. And as always, we appreciate your comments. We appreciate you sharing it with your family and your friends. And we appreciate you coming along with us and watching. We're glad to have you as part of the Knowles Blessed Adventures family. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.